It's the simple pleasures in life when you finally get your hammock up and a bit of wind and rain protection and a fuck ton of noodle soup. I think the most dangerous aspect of this was trying to get into the hammock whilst holding this. That was like very fucking and like squeaky bum time. Oh, little thing. In the olden days, or if you're having a tent with the thin canvas they have in tents, you can't have it touching you like this lot because the rain just goes straight through. This stuff, because of how thick that 5x5 tarp is, the rain doesn't come through. Because I had that last time I came out a couple of weeks back, and that was another storm that they named something stupid in Irish. And it didn't come through. I ended up with a massive pond above my head, which I am going to have again, because I'm looking at my cord, the way it's tied up, and I'm going to have another puddle issue, I think. It's not a big deal. It's just slightly concerning when you've got what looks like a fat bitch trying to go down on up. Yeah, it was a rather saggy roof. I mean, it's not going to be as bad this time because I got it at different angles. So, yay, food.